Hi, hello, I'm Kiran Kumar from Nature of Physics and Art. Today, electric field intensity of a hemisphere of radius is capital R. So, this is the radius of the hemisphere is capital R. For this, simply I'm considering a element that is in a circular shape, that is like a ring. Okay, so this is considering here like this. Okay, so this is like a ring only, and this is the vertical axis. Is the vertical axis. Okay, and the element is making an angle d theta. So this angle is d theta, and theta is the angle with the vertical axis. So here we can take, this is the distance is r, this is the distance is r, and this is the vertical distance is taken as x. So simply try to understand, this is like a ring only, like a ring only. So this is the x and this is the r, and this value is root over r square plus x square. We wanted to find at a point P. This is a dE cos theta. Okay, just hemisphere on which element is considering. For the element that is in a ring shape, you know very well electric field intensity of the ring. So we did already in the previous part videos, please watch that. So that E bar, which is equal to kq into x divided by here r square plus x square. Okay, whole to the power of 3/2. And here we got E bar, which is equal to kqx divided by small r square plus x square whole to the power of 3/2. This is the electric field intensity of the ring. Just ring is the element we are assuming on the hemisphere. Based on this formula, we will discuss the electric field intensity of the hemisphere. See, first we need to write the dE due to the small element, which is equal to k into dq. Okay, dq x divided by r square plus x square whole to the power of 3/2. So what is the difference between them? Here q charge is there, electric field is E for the total ring. Okay, for due to the small element of the hemisphere, that's why what happened, dE which is equal to k into dq into x. Only variable is charge, dq charge. Okay, now we have to replace the dq charge value from the basic formula sigma, which is equal to q divided by area. So surface charge density, which is equal to charge divided by area. Area is equal to pi r square. See, this is the pi r square area. Okay, so for this we can write q, which is equal to sigma into pi r square, and differentiation dq, which is equal to pi into, okay, sigma into 2r into dr, otherwise sigma into pi into 2r into dr. So this is r square is 2r into dr. Try to understand. And continuation, here we know the values also. Here r value, which is equal to r sin theta, and x value, which is equal to r cos theta. Okay, so this is the adjacent side r cos theta, and this is the opposite side r sin theta. The values we are replacing in the equation while replacing dq value. First I want to replace dq. So here dE bar, which is equal to, okay, so k value is 1/4 pi epsilon naught. Okay, dq value is 2 pi sigma into r into dr. Okay, into this value is x divided by r square plus x square whole to the power of 3 by 2. So this is once twice get cancel. So dE bar, which is equal to sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught. Okay, and here r into dr into x value we have to replace. So individually, already we know r is equal to r sin theta and x is equal to r cos theta, and here this is the small element is dr, so this is equal to capital R into d theta. So this dr, which is equal to how much? Small r into d theta. Already I gave that information in the previous videos. So here angular displacement d theta, which is equal to arc length divided by radius, then arc length is equal to product of radius and angular displacement. Okay, so the value step by step we are replacing. So small r is equal to capital R sin theta, and dr value is r into d theta, and x value is r into cos theta divided by, here r square value is r square sin square theta, and x square is r square cos square theta. So r square is common, then sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So we have here r square whole to the power of 3 by 2. See, simply r value x value replaced, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 and r square is common only. Okay, so here r square square root of also get cancelled. Here first r, second, third, r cube, here also r cube is get cancelled. Try to understand. Then the resultant equation dE bar, which is equal to sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught, this is sin theta into cos theta into d theta. So we can write here 2 into sin theta into cos theta. For this, 2 is multiplying and dividing. 2 is multiplying and dividing. I will continue just a second. And now continuation. See here, integration on both sides. 0 to pi divided by 2. Why 0 to pi by 2? This is here origin, and we are taking from the x axis to y axis, that is 90 degrees, pi by 2. Okay, so sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught is common here, so that E bar, which is equal to sigma divided by 2 epsilon naught, this is common. Okay, and also 1 by 2 is common. Okay, so and remaining value is, that is integral 0 to pi by 2 sin 2 theta into d theta. See, think practically. 2 into sin theta into cos theta, that is sin 2 theta. Okay, that is d into theta. Think practically. And continuation here, integral sin theta, which is equal to minus cos theta, and 2 is the constant we are writing in the denominator. So E bar, which is equal to sigma divided by 2 to the 4 epsilon naught, this is minus cos 2 theta 0 to pi divided by 2. So we will get here E bar, which is equal to sigma divided by 4 epsilon naught. Okay, so here this is upper limit and lower limit is exchange, that we will get cos 0 minus cos, okay, that is the value is, okay, that is pi by 2, 2 is get cancelled, pi, so divided by 2. Here 2 into pi divided by 2, 2 is get cancel. So the cos 180 which is equal to minus 1, minus of minus is plus. So for that we can write E bar which is equal to sigma divided by 4 epsilon naught. Okay, cos 0 is 1, minus of minus 1 divided by 2. So the answer is here, this value is get cancel. So E bar which is equal to sigma divided by 4 epsilon naught is the value for the electric field intensity of a hemisphere. Try to understand lengthy derivation. We have to do the shortcut steps, then only we can complete within that time. So here minus of minus is plus, that is 1 plus 1, numerator is 2, divided by 2, get cancel. So result is E bar which is equal to sigma divided by, okay, sigma divided by 4 epsilon naught. Okay, thank you.